This is the most amazing concept vehicle I've ever seen. The Lexus LF-1 Limitless. The name says it all. I'm here with Robert Tsang, the Director of Lexus Canada. I got to ask you about this vehicle here. It caught our eye right away as soon as it unveiled. How long has it been in the works?
Well, it's been in the works for a couple of years now. It was designed in our Calty office down in California, and it really is the embodiment of where we think the future of the vehicle is going, styling-wise, technology-wise.
Is it gasoline and electric, or what type of motors in this vehicle?
We designed this to be able to take on whether it's gasoline engine, hybrid electric, or even battery electric. So it's up to your imagination.
How do they figure out the name of a vehicle?
LF1 stands for Lexus Future 1.
Okay, that's
so
what it goes.
Whenever you see a concept car, it'll be a Lexus Future usually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you mentioned in your introduction that it's a driver assist vehicle. It's not a full out, just let me drive by itself type of car.
And that's our view on autonomy in general. We believe that there is a time and a place that perhaps our guests will want to sit back and relax, enjoy the ride.
Yes.
But we also believe in the spirit of driving, the empowerment of driving. And so we've created something called Guardian Mode, which allows you to drive and the vehicle will take care of all the rest. So if it sees danger, hazards, it'll let you know and it'll take control if it needs to.
When do you think this will be taking onto the road? When will it be out there?
Well, there's a classic line we have to use, which is we can't really speak about future products.
Yeah.
But the feedback that we're going to get from the show and from your reviewers will let us decide whether or not this sees production.
You know what? I think they've come a long way, Lexus. You guys have done a great job here. What would you like to finish off in saying about this vehicle to our viewers?
Well, this is the embodiment of where we want to go in the future. The lineup that we have today represents our step-by-step approach. All the technology we talk about here are available in some form or another in our lineup. So we encourage them to come and check it out, and thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate
really nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
We hope you enjoyed the Lexus concept. We sure did. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your ride and drive.